How to measure your space. It's not hard to measure your kitchen, but it's important to measure correctly. Follow these tips for accuracy. Make sure you have a strong measuring tape. It also helps if you have a partner or friend to help you measure correctly. Accuracy is key for all measurements. Start with a piece of A4 paper and simply draw an outline of your kitchen with all elements including windows, doors, architraves and appliances. A rough measurement is all we're after, but it's critical to write in any structural features in your space. Start with floor to ceiling height. The easiest way to measure your ceiling height is to measure down to a fixed point, then from the floor to the same and add together. Remember to write down measurements in millimeters rather than centimeters, feet or inches. Next, measure the floor to window height, then top of window to ceiling. Measure the heights and widths of windows, including architraves. If you are measuring your existing kitchen space, remember to add the measurement of the tile or splashback thickness to your measurements. Then it's time for wall-to-wall lengths and heights. Remember, if you're measuring an existing kitchen space, add in the thickness of tiles or splashback. Once again, measure in sections and add together. You're almost there. Now measure height and depth of any appliances you are keeping, such as your fridge. Make sure you record the measurement of the overall depth with the fridge door open. Height and depths of microwaves are helpful if you want to add to your design. Don't forget to display the way the door opens into your space and add any other openings your kitchen may have, such as archways. It's important to measure underneath your sink and identify hot and cold taps, including waste pipe location, and mark on the plan whether it's on the floor or wall. Finally, measure existing power points and make note of any future ones you think you may like. Remember, measurements are important for your in-store design, so take your time and measure twice if in doubt. You can also download our design guide for detailed information. There's no stress if you're unsure. At Kitchen Shack, we help you through every step, and we can always arrange for a final check measure after your free design in the showroom.